In its Q4 financial results report, Tesla confirmed that its most affordable model, the highly anticipated Model 2, will be launched in the first half of this year. This means we are now less than 3 months away from seeing this model hit the market in its most tangible form. In fact, Tesla has adopted some of its most innovative and strategic approaches ever to produce this budget-friendly vehicle. In today's episode, we will explore at least 5 key strategies that Tesla is actively implementing to pave the way for the official release of the Model 2. Stay tuned, as crucial details about this model will be revealed throughout the episode. That's what we'll dive into in today's episode. And welcome to Techno Creators. Before we begin, please help us reach 4,500 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great tech episodes. How is Elon Musk making the Model 2 a reality? In its most recent earnings call, Tesla reaffirmed that its plan to produce new vehicle models, including more affordable options, remains on track to begin production in the first half of 2025. This aligns with rumors and reports about the highly anticipated Model 2, which is designed to reach a broader market. Currently, Tesla is making multiple price adjustments, including price cuts for the Model 3 and Model Y, to boost sales. This could be a strategic move to free up production capacity and prepare the market for an entirely new product line. These significant price reductions indicate that the company is building momentum for the launch of the Model 2. According to reports from China, mass production of the Model 2 is expected to begin in Q3 2025. Leaked information suggests that the new model will take design inspiration from both the Cybertruck and Model Y, while maintaining a similar size to the Model 3, but with a higher roofline. This design choice maximizes interior space while keeping costs low, an essential factor in making the Model 2 accessible to the mass market. One of the key factors in preparing for the Model 2 launch is Tesla's rapid expansion of its supercharger network. While charging infrastructure may not seem directly related to vehicle production, it plays a crucial role in supporting mass EV adoption. A well-developed charging network helps alleviate range anxiety, encourages more consumers to switch to electric vehicles, and ultimately justifies the high production volume Tesla is targeting with the Model 2. As Tesla gears up to introduce the Model 2, its most affordable EV yet, these massive manufacturing facilities will be essential in ensuring high production output while maintaining quality and affordability. According to Elon Musk, the Model 2 will be produced at Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas, USA, which is currently assembling the Cybertruck. Although Gigafactory Mexico was rumored to be the first production site for the Model 2, Musk has clarified that this factory will only begin operations after the budget EV is launched. Additionally, Tesla's Gigafactory in Shanghai, China, produced nearly 1 million vehicles in 2024, an 88.8% increase from the previous year. Given that China is the world's largest EV market, this facility is expected to handle a significant portion of the Model 2's production. By strategically distributing production across these gigafactories, Tesla can maximize efficiency, minimize costs, and accelerate the global rollout of the Model 2. To mass-produce the Model 2 at an affordable price, Tesla is implementing advanced manufacturing techniques designed to reduce production time and costs while maintaining high-quality standards. The GigaPress technology is a large die-casting machine that molds major vehicle components into a single piece, eliminating up to 1,000 individual parts. This enhances structural integrity, speeds up production, and significantly reduces labor costs. Tesla's AI-driven systems optimize factory operations by detecting defects, adjusting processes, and performing predictive maintenance, improving efficiency by 20 to 30%. Additionally, Tesla is reducing the number of parts and integrating modular components to streamline assembly. The Model 2 will also incorporate lightweight materials such as aluminum and high-strength steel, enhancing performance while keeping low costs. Tesla plans to produce approximately 2 million Model 2 vehicles annually by 2025. The Model 2 will be equipped with FSD Supervisor version R13, capable of handling tasks such as lane changes, highway navigation, and traffic management. Thanks to Tesla's over-the-air updates, the system will continuously improve, gradually progressing toward Level 5 autonomy, where vehicles can drive entirely on their own without human intervention. Tesla's AI strategy is built on real-world driving data, allowing its full self-driving system to learn and improve over time. With a neural network processing massive amounts of data from Tesla's global fleet, the company is creating an AI system that becomes increasingly intelligent and capable with each update. How does the final design of Model 2 incorporate features? In the Q3 2024 earnings call, Elon Musk confirmed Tesla's plan to launch the Cybercab, a fully autonomous networked taxi priced at $25,000, in Texas in 2025. The development of this robo-taxi project is closely linked to the Model 2 Redwood, as both vehicles share technology and production resources. This integration is key to accelerating production and keeping low costs, as Tesla optimizes its manufacturing processes for both models. While Texas will be the first market for the Cybercab, its launch in California may be delayed until 2026 due to regulatory challenges. Musk emphasized that California's strict regulations pose a significant barrier, and scaling the Cybercab in that market will require more time and effort. Unlike the fully autonomous Cybercab, the Model 2 will feature a traditional driving setup, complete with a steering wheel and pedals, but with optional self-driving capabilities. This positions the Model 2 firmly in the versatile vehicle segment, appealing to consumers looking for a conventional, affordable EV with the potential for autonomous features. Tesla's focus on full self-driving software is expected to generate additional revenue. By 2023, over 400,000 Tesla owners in the U.S. had used FSD Beta, with Tesla charging $15,000 per vehicle for the FSD package. This has significantly contributed to Tesla's profit margins. Both the Model 2 and Cybercab will come equipped with FSD, though the Cybercab will be Tesla's first vehicle designed specifically for full autonomy. Integrating FSD into these vehicles will help lower operational costs for shared fleets, create added value, and reduce reliance on hardware, making autonomous features more accessible for budget-friendly models like the Model 2. How is the Tesla Model 2 manufactured? In reality, Tesla did not rush to immediately put the Model 2 into production, even though most of the development steps had been completed. Instead, the company carefully studied how other manufacturers produce affordable vehicles. According to Tesla insiders, a Honda Civic, which starts at $25,000, was disassembled by Tesla's team. Everything remains at the research stage, with the goal of improving the Model 2. This is how Tesla is building a prototype for an affordable electric car. Model 2 will be manufactured at Tesla's Giga Texas factory, sharing the production line with the Model 3 and Model Y. Most of the Model 2's frame will be produced using the 6,000-ton Giga press. Thanks to this efficient production line, internal reports suggest Tesla aims to produce at least 10,000 units per week. With the Model 2 utilizing advanced manufacturing techniques such as single-piece casting through the Giga press, Tesla will be able to produce the Model 2 very quickly on the assembly line. This is partly due to it being Tesla's smallest chassis to date. Let's take a closer look at the Giga press and its role in creating the Model 2's chassis. Traditionally, the chassis of an electric vehicle consists of hundreds or even thousands of stamped metal parts, which are then assembled through processes like spot welding, screwing, bolting, or bonding to form a complete shell. This method is time-consuming, labor-intensive, and resource-demanding, requiring a larger workforce to operate and oversee various stages of production. However, with the Giga press, large chassis components such as the front or rear frames are cast by injecting molten aluminum into molds. For the Model 2, the smaller chassis size makes production easier, significantly simplifying the entire process. The Giga press is currently used for the Model Y and Model 3, while the 9,000-ton Giga press is designated for the Cybertruck. Based on available information, The GigaPress has significantly reduced production costs for the Model Y and Model 3 compared to vehicles with traditionally assembled chassis. For example, the GigaPress has allowed Tesla to reduce the rear chassis production cost of the Model Y by 40%. For the Model 3, Tesla eliminated 750 robotic arms from the assembly line because the GigaPress streamlined the manufacturing steps. Why does Tesla Model 2's design keep its low cost? According to Tesla employees, the Model 2 will not be a hatchback, but a compact crossover with a minimalist design while retaining Tesla's signature aesthetics. Although it avoids excessive details, the overall design remains modern, featuring clean lines and a few exclusive design elements unique to Tesla. To best describe the Model 2, it will share some similarities with the recently unveiled Cybercab. When looking at the Cybercab, there aren't many design elements to analyze. It features a sleek bronze exterior, a light bar as the headlamp, 2 unique doors, wheel cladding, and a large windshield. Despite the lack of major design changes, the Cybercab still manages to look stunning, appealing, and anything but boring. With a size at least 20% smaller than the Model 3, the Model 2 will focus on minimalist elements to maintain its affordable $25,000 price point. We're sure you're curious about what's inside this compact vehicle. The interior of the Tesla Model 2 is expected to be designed to balance enough space for 5 passengers while maximizing cost-saving measures to keep the price at $25,000. The interior materials, from the dashboard and door handles to smaller details, are likely to have a minimalist design and use more common materials. The steering wheel might feel less premium, seats could lack ventilation, and the touchscreen might be downsized compared to the Model 3's 15.4-inch display. This may disappoint some, as no one wants their driving experience to feel compromised. However, the Model 2 is not aimed at luxury or exceptional comfort. It embodies Elon Musk's vision of an affordable and accessible electric vehicle for the masses. Additionally, to reduce production costs, the Model 2's interior is unlikely to include rear seat entertainment screens, ambient LED lighting, or numerous physical buttons. Instead, Tesla may continue its minimalist trend by shifting most control functions to software, allowing for upgrades and bug fixes through over-the-air updates. What makes the Tesla Model 2 Redwood priced at just $25,000? First, the Model 2 Redwood utilizes lithium iron phosphate LFP batteries, which are more cost-effective to produce compared to NCA nickel-cobalt aluminum or NCM nickel-cobalt manganese batteries. The total raw material cost for LFP batteries is typically 30 to 50% lower than traditional lithium batteries, primarily due to the lower cost of iron and phosphate compared to nickel and cobalt. This can reduce battery production costs by up to $5,000 per vehicle, depending on the size and version of the car. The production process for LFP batteries is generally simpler, reducing manufacturing costs by 10 to 20% and requiring fewer complex processing steps than NCA or NCM batteries. Additionally, LFP batteries have a longer lifespan and better heat resistance than NCA batteries, lowering warranty-related insurance costs for Tesla. LFP batteries are also considered environmentally friendly, as they use abundant materials and fewer precious metals, saving approximately $300 in material costs. This makes LFP technology an efficient and practical solution for the Redwood 2025, significantly reducing total production costs and enabling the lower retail price of the Redwood. This approach provides customers with an affordable yet high-performing electric vehicle. Additionally, Model 2 features a simple and efficient design, with an overall size reportedly smaller than other Tesla models like the Model Y and Model 3, helping to reduce production and material costs. It performs well in crowded urban areas and tight parking spaces. Despite its smaller size, the Model 2 Redwood is said to embody the spirit of the Model Y while delivering high performance and an engaging driving experience, allowing enthusiasts to own it at a more affordable price. The interior is minimalist, with a 15-inch control screen in the center of the dashboard, synthetic leather materials, and a spacious 300-liter cargo area. The Model 2's interior design is simpler and more sustainable while still ensuring basic comfort. Additionally, Tesla leverages its large-scale production and long-term partnerships with suppliers, such as KTL and Panasonic, to negotiate better prices for raw materials and components. For example, Tesla's strategic collaboration with battery manufacturers like KTL ensures cost savings of 10 to 20% compared to retail or market prices while maintaining high material quality. Finally, Tesla employs a cost reduction strategy that plays a crucial role in making the Redwood an affordable model. The company plans to expand its market, creating opportunities for more consumers while intensifying competition with rivals in the same segment. Assuming 65% of the global population shows interest in the brand, Tesla prices the Redwood to boost brand recognition to 80% worldwide. One of the standout features of the Model 2 is its 4C fast charging technology, allowing the battery to charge incredibly quickly from 0 to 100% in just 15 minutes, or 0 to 80% in as little as 10 minutes. This is a significant improvement over its competitors in the same segment, especially the Chevrolet Bolt, which takes a full 61 minutes to charge to 100%, and its battery is not highly regarded for safety. Over 60% of GM users have expressed frustration with the slow charging speeds, finding it cumbersome and inconvenient. The older version of the Chevrolet Bolt was even discontinued due to its poor performance. Volkswagen claims its 58 kilowatt-hour battery in the ID.2 can charge from 10 to 80% in about 20 minutes, with a maximum charging speed of 125 kilowatts. While the energy density is slightly higher at 5 kilowatt-hours. Compared to Redwood, Volkswagen still needs to upgrade its system to match or exceed the performance of the Model 2. Recent information about the $25,000 Model 2 suggests its charging will be more stable at 350 kilowatts to achieve such a rapid charging speed. This also helps maintain the battery's lifespan and keeps future battery replacement costs in check. Tesla is expected to increase the battery's energy density by 10 to 15%, allowing for a longer driving range while optimizing cost efficiency by using fewer cells. With these improvements, it seems the Model 2 will offer a driving range far beyond initial expectations, potentially reaching 250 to 300 miles, as previously mentioned. Compared to the Volkswagen ID.2, while this model is expected to achieve a range of up to 300 miles, that figure is somewhat vague, as the ID.2 uses a 50 kilowatt-hour battery, which may impact energy efficiency and the vehicle's overall performance. On the other hand, the Chevrolet Bolt offers a range of just 180 miles in highway tests, which is quite limited and falls short of what the Model 2 can provide, making it insufficient for many long-distance drivers. It's hard to understand why GM Bolt has been so widely praised. With an output of 300 horsepower, the asynchronous motor in the Tesla Model 2 enables acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.6 seconds. This outpaces the Chevrolet Bolt, which takes under 6.5 seconds, and the Volkswagen, which needs 7 seconds to reach the same speed. This performance puts the Model 2 in league with many sports cars, offering the thrilling driving experience typically associated with higher-end vehicles. Moreover, Tesla has pushed the envelope by incorporating the latest 48-volt drive-by-wire system into the Model 2. By increasing the voltage to 48 volts, it allows the motors to operate at levels that aren't possible with the conventional 12-volt system. The higher voltage, coupled with lower current, enables the use of thinner wiring, reducing weight and the amount of copper needed. This not only helps Tesla cut costs, but also contributes to the overall lighter weight of the Model 2. How does the Model 2's future potential compare to its rivals in the segment? The 2026 launch of the Model 2 marks a pivotal moment in Tesla's strategic shift, positioning it as the key to achieving the company's goal of 20 million vehicles sold annually by 2030. Leveraging its many strengths, the Model 2 is expected to deliver significant revenue as demand for affordable electric vehicles continues to dominate. With impressive range, rapid acceleration, and Tesla's renowned advanced features such as autopilot and over-the-air updates, the Model 2 is poised to reshape the automotive market. The combination of affordability and cutting-edge technology positions it as a game-changer. The announcement of the Model 2 has already drawn the attention of other automakers. Most importantly, the Model 2 lowers the barrier for consumers interested in electric vehicles. At a price point of $20,000, the Model 2 confidently competes with many internal combustion vehicles. potentially accelerating the shift away from fossil fuels as more consumers embrace electric mobility. Recent surveys show that 65% of Americans would consider switching to an EV if it were priced on par with or cheaper than a traditional gas-powered car, with price and environmental consciousness being the primary drivers. Added to that is the government's $7,500 EV incentive, making electric vehicles even more attractive. Internal combustion cars are losing their footing in the market. Now, the only question is which car maker offers the best option in the $20,000 to $30,000 range. Online forums and social media platforms have become vibrant centers of discussion around the Model 2's potential, features, performance, and availability. Many consumers who once thought a Tesla was out of reach are now viewing the Model 2 as their entry point into the world of electric vehicles. Even former Chevrolet Bolt owners, who may have been disappointed with their experience, are likely to make the switch to Tesla. Expectations are rising, and pre-orders are projected to increase by 35% once they open. How potential is the low-cost electric vehicle market that could make automakers fall in line? According to some reliable sources, the world's leading automobile manufacturer, Tesla, will continue to develop self-driving robotaxis on the same small car platform. This decision is said to represent somewhat of an abandonment of the long-term goal that Elon Musk often considers the company's main mission: affordable electric cars for the masses. His first master plan for the company in 2006 included producing luxury models first, then using profits to fund low-cost family cars. Tesla's current cheapest car model, the Model 3 sedan, has a retail price of about $39,000 in the US. Meanwhile, the Model 2, expected to start at just around $25,000, will become the most affordable car of all time for this dominant manufacturer. However, the situation is completely reversed as Tesla faces fierce global competition from Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers flooding the market with cars priced as low as $10,000. Furthermore, plans for driverless robotaxis, which could take longer to implement, pose a more difficult technical challenge. Furthermore, while Tesla spent years developing the highly experimental Cybertruck, a bold, durable, but expensive electric pickup truck, Chinese and other automakers have been racing toward affordable electric vehicles, gaining market share, achieving economies of scale, and offering consumers bargain prices that Western automakers are struggling to keep up with. It can be seen that other automakers are also increasing competition in the electric vehicle segment, including the production of low-cost models. Traditional manufacturers such as Toyota, Volkswagen, and Nissan have announced plans to produce and develop low-cost electric car models to reach mass customers. The Volkswagen ID.3 electric car is expected to cost about $21,800 USD and will launch in 2027. Furthermore, in less than the past 5 years, Nissan has invested 2,000 billion yen to develop electric vehicle technology, including fully electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. The company expects to launch 23 new electrified vehicle models, including 15 fully electric models. The company also aims to increase the proportion of electric vehicles in sales by 2030 to 50%. Therefore, if Tesla does not focus on developing a low-cost electric car, it can cause them to lose the opportunity to compete and significantly reduce their market share in the market. As a result, many people are worrying and hold the view that Tesla made a mistake by focusing too much on developing the Cybertruck that cost at least $60,000 instead of a budget-friendly EV worth just nearly a half of a Cybertruck that suits the tastes of numerous current consumers. So, which competitors is Tesla facing directly? 1. Jeep Avenger EV. Jeep Avenger is expected to launch at the end of 2024 in the US market. Estimated travel distance is just more than 250 miles per charge, 50 miles less than Tesla Model 2. With the same price range of $25,000 and an earlier launch time, it not only brings high competitiveness, but also increases accessibility to potential customers compared to Tesla's Model 2. The Jeep Avenger EV is uniquely styled and personalized with the Stellantis ECMP platform. Even a dual-motor AWD option, which would be perfect for something like an electric Jeep crossover. From the breathtaking appearance to the comfortable and modern interior, the combination of luxury and smart features promises to create a comfortable and convenient driving space, promoting driver comfort and satisfaction. This may be definitely one of the most formidable contenders for Tesla. 2. BYD Seagull. Launched in the Chinese market in May 2023, the company plans to launch globally at the end of 2024. With the same distance per charge as the low-cost electric vehicle of the Jeep Avenger, but at a price more competitive and attractive, only about $20,000. With 100 horsepower, just one-third in comparison with Model 2, and 135 Nm of torque, the range is only about 251 miles. Time for acceleration, from 0 to 60 miles in about 10 seconds, doubled compared with that of Tesla Model 2. Equipped with a Blade 38.88 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, 14.12 kWh smaller than the Model 2 pack, this model takes about 30 minutes to charge from 30% to 80%, which is 3 times slower than the Tesla's product. Additionally, if using AC Level 2 charging, it will take about 10 hours to fully charge. However, this car model is also equipped with a 10.2-inch touchscreen with full other amenities such as sound system, automatic air conditioning, and smart lock. 3. Chevrolet Bolt EV 2023. With an impressive range of about 259 miles, the 2023 Chevrolet Bolt has a starting price of $31,995. This price is about $6,000 higher than the Tesla Model 2, but the capacity you get is just about 150 horsepower, just a half if we compare it with the Tesla Model 2. With a modern, youthful, luxurious exterior with a compact size suitable for flexible movement in the city. Many high-end equipment such as a large 10.2-inch touchscreen like BYD Seagull and Model 2, high-end sound system, and sunroof. Acceleration is not too outstanding. From 0 to 50 miles in 7 seconds, 2 seconds slower than Tesla's invention. In addition, this car model is equipped with many advanced technologies such as automatic driving, assistance systems, smart connectivity, over-the-air software updates, and a new generation Blade battery that is safe, efficient, and has a long life. Furthermore, this vehicle is also equipped with fast charging support, helping to shorten battery charging time. However, it takes a half hour to charge from 0% to 80% at a DC fast charging station. If using Level 2, 24 kWh AC charging, it will take 7.5 hours to fully charge. 4. Nissan Leaf 2023. The travel distance is about 223 miles. The price starts higher from $32,800, which means you have to allocate nearly $8,000 to own this EV with 77 miles of range, less than the affordable Tesla's EV. Besides, the capacity of this car model is quite limited at only about 148 horsepower. But on the flip side, this car model also has a modern design, comfortable interior, and many high-tech features. Equipped with a spacious, comfortable interior for 5 people with many amenities, such as an 8-inch touchscreen, sound system, and automatic air conditioning. Powerful electric drive system with 2 versions, SL Plus, with 215 horsepower, 333 Nm of torque, and 226 miles on a single charge. The S Plus has a capacity of 148 horsepower, 313 Nm of torque, and a range of about 151 miles. Acceleration is quite quick, from 0 to 60 miles in about 7 seconds. In addition, this car is also equipped with many advanced technologies, such as automatic driving assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, 360-degree camera, and smart connection with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. However, it also has several drawbacks. The battery charging time is longer, about 8 hours of normal charging, and the selling price is higher than some car models using internal combustion engines in the same segment. So, which is the strongest competitor that has the potential to usurp the king of cheap electric cars from Tesla Model 2? Let's share your thoughts by commenting 1, 2, 3, or 4 below. That's the end of today's episode. We hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.